Hi, I'm Aaron Kendall of Kendall Law Group, and today we're going to talk about assets that are outside of your will and trust and how we can protect those and potentially move them into your trust to keep them safe and make sure they go to who you want them to go to. So, what's an asset that's outside of your will or trust? Say you've got a will, you've got a trust, you think you're all set. But there's a problem. For example, at work, you might have a 401k, or you might even have a self IRA. You may have life insurance. You may have a lot of other items that have their own beneficiaries, such as a stock trading account. Whoever you have named as those beneficiaries will receive those items. They are transferred outside of probate and outside of your trust. This can lead to some problems. For example, say you're divorced, but while you were married to your ex, you had your 401k that named your ex as the beneficiary. And you forget to change that. And later you remarry, and perhaps you even have kids, and everything is going great, and then you die. But you didn't change a beneficiary on your 401k. Who gets it? You're right, your ex. You're probably not happy about that. So you do want to change that beneficiary, because that will control, regardless of what your will or your trust says, whoever you make your beneficiary to that policy, whether it's life insurance, a 401k, or an investment account, that is who will receive it. Now, we can act in a way to help control that by taking those beneficiary designations and naming your trust as the beneficiary. Now, your lawyer can't do this for you because any of those companies are going to look at your lawyer and say, hey, you're not the person, so you're not doing that. But you can. So the important thing when you set up your trust is to make sure all your beneficiary designations for those accounts, insurance policies, and other areas are pointing at your trust or to wherever it is you want to be sure that they go. Sometimes there's reasons to have things directly sent to a beneficiary rather than going through your trust or through your will. And if that's the case, you should discuss it with your attorney and make sure that these things line up. Again, you do need to take action about your beneficiary choices. They should typically either be pointed to your trust or to someone you want to designate to receive them. You do not want to forget about them or put them off till it's too late. Nor do you want to do beneficiary selection forms wrongly and not be sure that they're set up correctly. If that's the case, they may fail, and your estate planning may have some major problems. If you need help with beneficiary choices and beneficiary selections, and having a proper trust and estate plan set up to protect you and your family, please feel free to reach out. I'd be glad to help you if possible. Thank you.